years, we celebrate 75 glorious years of India's independence. Greetings for the day. It is indeed a pleasure to welcome you all to our digital assembly as we celebrate the spirit of freedom. I would like to call Abhigyan for Gayatri Mantra.
Join your hands and close your eyes and start Gayatri. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tasya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat.
Now Akshit is here with us for English prayer.
Good morning everyone. My name is Akshit from class 4th A. Please join your hands and close your eyes. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where the knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arm towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert, sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by the into ever widening thought and action into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Now Arjit is here with us for pledge.
Today we will take a pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and all my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Now I would like to call Garv for thought of the day.
Good morning, teachers and students. I am Gar Sindwani from class 4th A. Here I am with the thought of the day. Thought of the day is winners are not people who never fail, but people who never quit. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Now Mahir is here for news headlines.
Good morning everyone. I am Mahir. Today's news headlines are National News. OBC bill passed. States can now maintain list of backward classes. 9 persons injured in recent attacks in Srinagar. Sports news. India ended up at 48th position with 7 medals at Tokyo Olympics. COVID update. No mass gatherings allowed for Onam in Kerala. COVID recovery rate in India is improving. Thank you.
Now Hiten is here for speech on Independence Day.
A very good morning to one and all present here. Today I, Hiten from class 4th A, will tell you about Independence Day. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I feel great pride to present this speech. Many were wounded, many were shot, and this is how the freedom was got. This is the most important day for all of us because on this day in 1947 we got independence from the British rule. Friends, our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmi Bai, and many others devoted their entire life for freedom of our country. Friends, we all know no nation is perfect. It needs to be made perfect. So it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duty and progress for the growth and development of our country. Surely the day is not far when our country will be strong and powerful in every field. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Now get ready for Mishika's poem on Independence Day.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Mishika. It's 75th Independence Day nearing. Here I am with a fresh poem to keep up with the air of nationalism and pride. The title of my poem is My Freedom is My Inheritance. In this poem, the poet has emphasized that India's independence is the most important asset which each generation of Indians is going to inherit. We should preserve and nourish it. The poem goes like this: History of invasions and defiance, spirit of persistence and resurgence, nourished with the blood of martyrs, crowned by Himalaya magnificence, my freedom is my inheritance. Oceans of knowledge and spirituality, culture of acceptance and inclusivity, replete with the nobility of saints, united at the face of divergence. Freedom is my inheritance. Secure under the vigil of our soldiers, marching with the pride of tricolor, committed to the future of nation, resplendent with youth and vibrance. My freedom is my inheritance. Jai Hind!
Now I would like to call Dishita to present her dance.
गीत गुनगुनाएंगे, वादा करो इस देश को हम सबसे प्यारा देश बनाएंगे।
Now Nakshi is here to recite a poem in Hindi.
नमस्कार, आज मैं नक्श गोयल कक्षा 4 से एक कविता सुनाने जा रहा हूँ। मेरा भारत मेरी शान, मेरा भारत मेरी जान, तिरंगा जिसकी पहचान है, भारत उसका नाम है। देश है ये बलिदानों का, देश है वीर जवानों का, इस देश की रक्षा हम करेंगे, किसी भी दुश्मन से नहीं डरेंगे। मेरा भारत मेरी जान, मेरा भारत मेरी शान। जय हिंद, धन्यवाद।
Now I request Principal Ma'am to share her views.
Good morning, students. A very happy Independence Day to all of you. As you all know, we are celebrating 75 years of Indian independence today. 75 years ago, India became free from the clutches of the British rule. I am sure you all know Rani Lakshmibai, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, so many freedom fighters. They fought against the British rule. For almost 100 years our freedom fighters struggled. And then finally, on 15th August 1947, India became free. And children, India has come a long way. In these 75 years, we have progressed so much. We have good roads, we have so many airports, we have nice railway lines, you are studying in good schools, we have everything, we have variety of things available in the market. We can buy different types of things that we want. It was not like that 75 years back. And each one of us today, we have the freedom to study the subjects that we want, to choose a career of our liking, to travel to different countries that we want. But yes, we must not forget the long struggle that our forefathers had to go through to give us this day. We must remember them and pay respect to all those who have given supreme sacrifice for this day. And also, I would request all of you to play your role in making our country good, better, best. You might ask, what can I do? I am a child. Yes, we all can do our little bit to make our country beautiful, nice, and we can contribute in small ways. Like I would request each one of you to plant, if not two, at least one tree in a year. On your birthday or any other day which is important in your life, make sure that you plant one tree and you make India pollution free. The other thing in which you can contribute and be a good citizen of India is by keeping your surroundings clean. Participate in the Swachh Bharat mission and contribute, do your duty to make and keep this country clean and its environment pollution free. We have certain duties towards our motherland, and on Independence Day we all must take a resolution that we are going to try our level best to give to our motherland India the best that we can. Once again, a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Now get ready for our national anthem.
जय गण मन अधिनायक जय